Hey guys, welcome to PyWorks. In this video, I'm going to walk you guys through how to create a Pareto chart within Google Sheets. So in this example, we've collected review data and categorized the negative reviews here in column A, and we've determined the frequencies of each of the categories in column B. So in order to create a Pareto chart, we're going to actually need to sort the frequency from Z to A, or highest to lowest. And then we're going to need to determine the cumulative percentage. And to get this, we're going to need the total of frequency. To calculate the total of frequency, we're going to hit the equal sign, and we're going to type in sum. And it already selected the data set that we want, which is B8 to B15, and we're going to tab it over. And then now for the cumulative percentage, what we want is, as we copy this formula down, we want the percentage of the previous categories. So to do that, we're going to hit the equal sign. We're going to sum, and we're going to select B8, and we're going to anchor it. And then we're going to select B8 again, but we're going to leave it unanchored because we want it to actually transition into the next category. And then we're going to divide it by the total, and then we're going to anchor the total, and then we're going to hit enter, and then we're going to hit yes for autofill. So you can see here that as it goes down to the next category, it's adding the percentage of the previous ones. So this is actually all we need to create the Pareto chart. So we're going to actually select this data set. We're going to go to insert, select chart, and then the combo chart is actually the chart type that we want. So we're going to select that. So as you can see here, it's giving us the bar chart for the frequency, which is what we want, but the cumulative percentage is actually all the way at the bottom here. So what we want for this line is to actually be up and to the right. So let's go to Customize tab, and then we're going to go to Series, and then we're going to select the cumulative percentage, and then we're going to scroll down to Axis, and so we're going to go to right axis, and this is more of what we want. So now we're going to select the data label, and then we are going to position the data label into the center. And this is just preference. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. I just like how it looks. So now what we want to do is actually apply that same data label to the frequency. And we're going to apply that data label, let's say at the bottom, which is at the inside base of the position. And then now we just pretty much pretty it up. This is essentially what the Pareto chart will look like. And we can see here that 50% of the negative reviews are stemming from poor service and sanitation or cleanliness. So if we want to come up with a strategy, maybe training the staff or something like that, we can determine how we want to approach this. But this is just a great way to strategize before you invest any resource or money into this particular scenario. So what we can also do here is just rename it to Reviews Pareto Chart. And then we want to center it. And then we can go down here, and we can position the legend, which is right here. We're at the bottom. And if we want to also name the axes, we can actually click this chart axis title, select vertical axis title, and this one is going to be frequency. And then if we want to name the cumulative percentage, we go to right vertical axis title and type in cumulative percentage. And there you have it, guys.